perfect. I won't zoom in, that's kind of sad. Get closer.
Didn't.
Don't throw it at me! You bonked my head. Now we gonna kick it? Maybe you should back up so you can kick it. Oh, I just kicked Plain. I'm a terrible person.
That leg is this way.
Crosses his feet. Ow! He keeps hitting me.
Why are you catching it? Oh no! Are we okay? Did you get you in the nose?
Jaden, where did Lainey hit you?
You get you in the nose? Here. Right?
Are you kidding me?